student, good morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. I hope you are fine. Student, now I am going to teach lesson 3, elements, compound and mixture. So student, before starting the chapter element, compound and mixture, question is how we get such thing. We get such thing from the matter. In the class 6, class 7, we have already studied about what is the matter. So tell, what is the matter? Anything which occupy space and has mass is known as matter. Yes, like C is the marker, is the matter because it has some mass. Yes, 1 gram, 2 gram, 10 gram, 20 gram, and occupies some space. This is the matter. So student, matter further divide into the two things. One is the pure substance and other one is the mixture. So today in this chapter we will study about the pure substance and mixture. Again, so what is the pure substance, student? See, a homogeneous material which contains particles of only one kind and has a definite set of properties is called pure substance. Student, sometimes you cannot identify this is the pure substance or the mixture. Suppose that milk. I think many persons purchase the milk from the milkman. And one very common complaint. After 10 days, 15 days, we repeat the same word, give me pure milk, give me pure milk. But question is, what you get milk? If you get milk directly from the buffalo or cow, if you not add a single drop of water, question is, this milk is the pure? Tell. No. This is the mixture. Question, how? Because we get directly from the buffalo, then how we get the mixture? Because such milk already contain carbohydrate, fat, water. It by nature. So this is a mixture, not a pure substance. But after that, when the milkman gets the milk from the buffalo, they could add more water in the milk. Clear? So, pure substance. So, according to science, a pure substance is substance which are made by only one kind of atom, one type of atom, like elements and compound. Elements and compound. So, what is the element? Student, like iron, silver, oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen, etc. all are the pure substance. If you take iron, okay, you take a single piece of iron and a big piece of iron. Question is, both property are same? Yes, both contain the same property. Both have the luster, attracted by the magnet. Yes, and it is not possible to divide into their simpler form. If you take one iron piece and start to divide 1 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 8, at last when you get the very single particle, question is the property of the single particles and the big particle. Both property are different? No, both property are same. Okay? So student, next one is what is the elements? What is the elements? So student, element is a pure substance which cannot be broken into two or more simpler substance by any known physical or chemical means is called elements. By any physical or chemical means, by any method, it is not possible to divide, break. If you take iron piece, their property become changed, their color become changed, but there, if you want, means we change the iron into the gold or gold into the silver, it is possible? No. It is the same. So student, element is the pure substance. Nowadays student, how many elements? 118 elements. 118 elements are present in. And in the student, in the 118 elements, two type elements. First one is the normal element, another one is the radioactive elements. What is the normal? So students, see, 82 elements are the normal elements and 36 elements are the radioactive. So question is, what is the normal and what is the radioactive? Student, listen. Some elements which release naturally harmful rays, alpha, beta and gamma rays. Alpha, beta and gamma rays. These rays are the cancerous rays. Means when such rays contact our body, it develop the cancer. And so you know, such things are already released from the elements. So the elements which release such type of harmful rays is known as the radioactive elements. Understood? No? Radioactive means not who already radio means what we use in our daily life, radio. It is not radio. Radioactive elements means the elements which release harmful rays, alpha, beta and gamma rays, is known as the radioactive elements. So other already clear. Normal elements means the element which not release any type of harmful rays is known as the normal elements. Clear? So how many normal elements? 82 are the normal and 36 are the radioactive elements. Clear? So student, after the discuss about the elements, what is the characteristics of the elements? It is very important. So student, first character, element is the pure substance, means it made by only one kind of atom. First property. Second one, except during nuclear reaction, an element cannot be broken into two or more smaller parts. By nuclear, you know, in the last video already discussed about the change of the three type. One is the physical chain, second chemical chain, and third one is the nuclear chain. Remember student, in the nuclear chain their nucleus break, and when their nucleus break, then it forms two or more new elements. So except nuclear, by the nuclear when due to nuclear reaction, we able to change their property, we able to change their nucleus. But by the physical or chemical, it is not possible to break to their simpler part. Clear? Element may be occur free in the nature or in the combined form. Some are occur freely in the nature, some are in the combined form. Both are in the both states such element are occur. Clear? And student, you know, metals elements are divided into the four categories. You know what? First one is the metals, second non-metals, third metalloid, and fourth one is the noble gases. So what is the metals, what is the non-metals, what is the metalloid, what is the noble gas? We have already studied in the class 7. Okay? So student, these are the some characters, some property of the elements. Okay student? So the next topic we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.